Today, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can creatively use Deepseek to earn money online. The methods that I'm going to show you in this video are perfect if you're a beginner and you're looking for different ways that you can use this brand new AI called Deepseek to earn money online. If you haven't heard of Deepseek yet, it's a brand new AI that's even better than ChatGPT, and the US government might ban it soon, so now's the time to use it before it's gone. So I don't want to waste any more of your time, so I'm going to jump into the first method right away. As we can see here, over the last few months, I've earned a little bit over $2,000 using this first method. Using this super simple concept, I was able to earn over $2,000 on Fiverr. On Fiverr, there's hundreds of different gig types and services, ranging from video editing all the way to different kinds of writing services, etc. And many of these take a lot of time to do. A lot of services such as writing can be done with AI. That way you don't actually have to spend any of your own time doing these gigs and completing these orders. So that's how I was able to earn money completely passively on Fiverr. As we can see on screen, here is a seller offering his resume writing service, and he has almost 4,000 orders on his service. He charges quite a bit of money too, and we can do this entire service using Deepseek. I'm going to go over to Deepseek and then ask it to write me a 1 or 2 page ATS optimized resume example. So it's going to come up with the essay for us in less than a minute, as we can see here. So I'm going to go back to Fiverr and go up to the top right corner where it says join, and then I'm going to sign up for a Fiverr account. So I'm going to choose that I'm selling freelancing services and that I'm a solo freelancer. Next, I'm going to choose that I'm doing online freelancing. And then we can set up our seller profile. So for this here, this isn't important. I'm just going to skip through this. And then this as well. We don't really need to see this. And we can continue through this as well. Here we go. Now we can fill out our personal info. So this is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going to fill this out and then we can skip on to the next part. Now we can fill out our professional info. So for occupation, I'm going to put writing and translation. And then just from any random year. And I'm going to select resume writing as our experience that we have. Down here for skills, I'm going to choose that we have an intermediate or expert level writing skill. So I'm also going to look up resume writing. So nothing really came up for that. So let's see if there's anything else. Okay, resume design. I'm going to put that as another one of our skills that we do have. For the rest of this, I'm going to skip that. And now we can move on and skip this as well. And we can create our Fiverr gig. So now I'm going to fill out our gig title. I'm going to say I will write a professional resume for you. And then I'm just going to choose the recommended category and our language as English. So I'm going to choose 3 random industries because it doesn't really matter. We're going to be doing this for any industry. Down here for keywords, I'm going to put resume writing. Now we can set up our pricing for our gigs. So I'm going to do $5, $15, and then $20. I'm just going to check all of that, make it an editable file, edit and rewrite. So we'll offer all of this stuff. We'll do custom design as well, and we'll do revisions and critique because all of that can be done by the AI fairly quickly. I'm going to put our number of revisions as 1. Our delivery time is going to be 3 days, 2 days, and then 1 day delivery. And then for a gig name, I just titled them basic, deluxe, and premium. For description, I will deliver in 3 days. You can go more into detail on your own gig. There might be some other details that you want to include. I'm just going to include the bare bones details that we need. Now we can move on to our description. So I'm going to go to Deepseek and ask it to create me a 1,000 character Fiverr description that we can use for a gig. So here we go. It came up with this little description. I'm going to paste it in as our gig description. And it looks pretty good. I just have to fill in the blanks here that it left for us because we don't want those in our description. I'm going to put resume writing there. And then for the next one, I'm going to change it to a number of years of experience. So here's the requirements for a gig. So I'm going to put 1 question. This is very important if you are setting up a resume writing gig. They need to put their past work experience or what they've done. And that's pretty much all we need in terms of requirements. I'm going to move on to the second method in this video, which is using Amazon Associates. So the first thing we're going to do is go to amazonassociates.com. And if you don't know what Amazon Associates is, it's Amazon's affiliate program. As you can see on screen, you can get up to a 10% commission recommending different products from Amazon. So all you have to do is recommend products, and then you get paid when someone buys products from your link. So once you're signed up for Amazon Associates, we're going to go back to Deepseek and ask it to create me 10 different Pinterest post ideas with affiliate products from Amazon. So it's going to come up with 10 different ideas for us. So I really like this one here. It's the work from home setup idea. So we're going to use that one in this video. So here's an example of a Pinterest pin of different work from home office gadgets. And we're going to be doing something very similar to this. I'm going to go to canva.com and now I'm going to look for a Pinterest pin template. So if we look here, here is the Pinterest pin template. So you want to use this template so that it works correctly on Pinterest. Now I'm going to drag in one of these templates here. So I'm just going to find one that fits. Oh, this one here looks pretty nice. We should be able to use it. I'm going to change the text to the top 8 best work from home products. So I'm going to size it up so that it fits properly on our page here. For the top, I'm going to write 2025, and then I'm just going to delete the bottom text. Our Pinterest pin is already done. It's really simple to create Pinterest pins in Canva, so now we can download it. Next, I'm going to go to a site called Linktree. So Linktree is pretty much a way to put multiple links into one. So if you want, for example, what we're going to be doing, 8 different Amazon products all in one link, that's how we're going to do it, is by using Linktree. Once you've signed up to Linktree, we'll be brought to this dashboard here. And now we're actually going to go to Amazon.com. So now that we're on Amazon, I'm going to look up for a laptop stand. Here's a laptop stand that I found. And then I'm going to click on Get Link right at the top here. And this is actually our Amazon Associates link. So I'm going to paste it in Linktree. And now we have our very first Amazon affiliate link. I'm going to title it as the best work from home laptop stand. As we can see on the right side here, here's a preview of what our link tree is going to look like. So it'll have my name, and then there's going to be our first link. I'm going to go back to Amazon so that we can get a second link. I'm going to look up laptops. Here's a laptop that we could use. So I'm going to click on it and again grab the link. Then I'm going to go back to Linktree and paste in our Amazon affiliate link. And then I'm going to title it the best work from home laptop. So now, as we can see on the right, we have 2 different links. Again, I'm going to go back to Amazon and look up headphones. I'm going to click on these headphones here, click on Get Link, and then copy it. I'm going to go back to Linktree, add it in again. Now we have a third Amazon affiliate link. So I'm going to title this one the best work from home headphones. As we can see on the right here, now we have 3 different affiliate links on our Linktree. I'm going to copy our Linktree, and now we have our Pinterest post ready to go. I'm going to go to Pinterest and then go to the left side here where it says create. I'm going to upload our image that we made earlier. And for a link, I'm going to put in our link tree. For a title, I'm going to title it the best work from home products in 2025. And now we need a description. So I'm going to go down to Deepseek and I'm going to ask it to make me a top 8 work from home products Pinterest description. As we can see here, it came up with a nice and quick description that I'm going to copy. I'm going to head back to Pinterest and paste in our description. Now we can publish our Pinterest pin, and when someone goes onto our post and sees our link, they can click on it and we could earn a possible commission. If you're trying this, I would recommend making at least 5 to 10 Pinterest pins every day, because the chances are if you're only making 1 or 2, you're not going to get discovered. So making a lot of quantity of these pins is essential. The last and final method that I'm going to show you is one that most people don't know about, since I saved the best for last. So thanks for sticking around. Here we are on a website called futuretools.io. Future Tools is basically a website where there's all these different AI tools on this website that we can look at and see. So I'm going to take one of these AI tools here. We're just going to look for one like this one here called Story Short, and then click on it and see if it has an affiliate link. So I can click on it, and here is the AI software's website. We can see that it's a faceless video AI software. I'm going to scroll to the very bottom of the page so that we can see if they have an affiliate program, and they do. They offer 30% reoccurring commissions from their affiliate program. So I'm going to sign up for this. All we have to do is put in a little bit of information. Here is Story Short's affiliate dashboard. It took me less than 2 minutes to sign up for this. Now I'm going to go back to Deepseek and ask it, create me a blog post about 5 different AI content creation tools. I'm going to enter in this prompt and it's going to come up with a blog post for us. Deepseek is even better than ChatGPT, so the blog posts that it's going to come up with are going to be really good. Now I'm going to go over to medium.com. So if you've never heard of Medium before, it's basically a website where you can publish your own articles that you create. So I'm going to sign up for it, and then I'm going to go back to Deepseek and copy our blog post that it made for us. I'm going to go to the top right corner in Medium and click on write. And now we can take our Deepseek article and paste it in to Medium. I'm going to go down to just below where it's talking about Story Short in our article. And I'm going to add a call to action saying try Story Short today. And I'm going to paste in our Story Short affiliate link. Now our affiliate link is embedded inside of our blog. So that way if someone comes to our blog and reads it and they're interested in Story Short from our top 5 AI tools article, we could earn a commission if they do sign up for Story Short and buy a plan. Story Short offers a 30% commission, so you can earn a lot of money if you are able to get hundreds of signups or even just a few. Thanks for watching.